Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to use Cloud Baby Monitor app. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to know is the Cloud Baby Monitor app is a paid app, so you need to pay a certain amount of money in order to purchase the app. So what you need to do in order to use the app is simply head over to your app store if you're using your iOS, or head over to your Play Store if you're using your Android. And once you do that, here what you need to do is tap on the search bar and then type in Cloud Baby Monitor app, and once you do that you'll be getting your app here. And now you can see that it costs $5.99, or you can get as per your countries is selected, right? Now all you gotta do is simply tap on the tap to pay, and once you tap to pay, all you gotta do is just fill up the on-screen instructions for the payment process to be successful. And once downloaded, all you gotta do is open up the app and then log into your account with your credentials. And once you do that, all you gotta do is follow the on-screen instructions to successfully set up your Cloud Baby Monitor. And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.